In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create playbooks in HubSpot, a process designed to streamline your day-to-day tasks and ensure that nothing falls through the cracks. We'll guide you through every single step to make sure you can create and customize playbooks exactly as you need them. Whether you're using playbooks for sales, service, or anything else, this tool can help boost your efficiency tremendously. To begin, you'll first need to log in to your HubSpot account. Ensure you have the necessary permissions to access and create playbooks, as this feature may require certain privileges depending on your account type. Once logged in, navigate to the CRM section. You'll find a drop-down menu. Select the option labeled Playbooks. This is the hub from where all your playbooks will originate, providing a consolidated space for you to manage them efficiently. Next, look towards the top right corner of your screen. You'll see a button labeled Create Playbook. Go ahead and click on it. This takes you into the intuitive playbook creation mode. At this point, HubSpot presents you with two possibilities. You can start fresh by choosing a blank slate, or leverage one of HubSpot's streamlined templates, specifically designed for sales or service playbooks. If you're new to this, using a template can save you time and provide a professional structure to your playbook. Once you've decided on how you'd like to start, it's time to give your playbook a name. You'll notice an edit icon resembling a pencil. Click on it and enter a descriptive title. A good title helps you and your team understand the playbook's purpose at a glance, so be sure to make it both specific and concise. Now it's time to add the substance to your playbook. Whether you decide to build it from scratch or use a template, the content needs to reflect the processes and scenarios your team frequently encounters. For those developing from scratch, take a focused approach by segmenting your content into relevant sections such as call prep, call outline, competitive battle cards, onboarding, or buyer personas. These elements form the backbone of your playbook, helping guide your team through each step of their interactions. If you're customizing further, don't shy away from adapting sections as needed. Perhaps you want to highlight specific product features or add a section on overcoming common objections. Make it uniquely yours. When your content reflects the desired processes and you're satisfied with the layout, it's time to wrap up your creation. Double-check everything and make sure all the details are in order. Once you're ready, click the Save button to preserve all your hard work and bring your playbook to life in the system. And there you have it. You've successfully created a playbook in HubSpot. With this powerful tool in your arsenal, you'll find yourself well-equipped to maintain consistent performance across your team. Let these playbooks boost your productivity and enhance your team's ability to provide top-tier service and sales interactions.